Fish on? Fish on? Oh shit. Brian got good fish, guys.
Fish on, guys. Woo! Haha. Fish on, guys. Woo! Fish on.
Brian, fish on!
Fish on, guys.
Fish on, Brian. Fish on. Fish on, Brian. Brian, fish on. We're gonna get out here this morning and get on this early bite this morning at Fort Charlotte. So we're getting out this morning. I just got hit on a jack a while ago. He's big. He's about 3 pounds, 4 pounds. He's down here. He just hit my lure just now. And we out. We're gonna work this whole area early this morning. So we'll come back to that spot around here. That's a later spot. Even though I should hit around there early, but that's tight to walk in the morning. Yeah. That's tight to walk around there in the morning, man. I don't feel like dealing with that shit this morning. Alright, come on. Let's go.
It's long ledge. It's high ledge.
Yeah, this high ledge this one. Let's go down further. We're about to go down further, guys. So, we're here, guys. I just got hit by a serious jack a while ago. Off this ledge. Let me see what's going on here. Oh, damn it. The Lord started swimming bad on me just now. Just got a nice jack hit a while ago, boy. Twice he hit it too.
Right yet, we up too early, man.
4 o'clock in the morning, dog. Is that my homie calling me to go fishing? My boy calls me early to go fishing. That's what's up, shore fishing. We out and about, me and Brian this morning. Nice jack, bro. Oh my god, bro. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. We on it, Jamaican shore fishing. I'm just walking this ledge, even though I know I'm not supposed to. Superhero?
You're a hero, man. Walk down there.
I like this ledge.
Only go to walk on there. Only go to walk on there.
No, people always shitting over there. That's why I don't like walking over there, bro. I don't like seeing nothing like that, bro. Some people, they nasty, man. Yeah, how you gonna shit in the walkway? That's not kosher, man. I'll find some bush someplace, man. Where? Yeah, but I don't want to pass this ledge first, Brian. There's this big barrel that passed here in the morning. What? I might have to tie up a new wire lead, I'm not sure. But two lures dropping side by side. A low tide, you know. It's low tide, Brian. It's low tide. No, it is low tide. The tide is between 8 and 10. No, we're at low tide right now. Morning, morning. I'm gonna jump to my Azories in a second. I'll just, because of the coloration of the water now.
I think a big fish will hook up out there, you know.
Yo, bro, one 3 pound jack just lick my line up just a look while. He turned black. I say he turned black when he licked the line look while. I was like, damn.
You want to kill them, man.
Yeah? Oh, you got some wrench. Oh, wrenchies.
Wrenchy, eh?
There's a big barrel that passed here at 8 o'clock in the morning. He's about the size of a light post. The thickness of a light post. I'm cast off time right here, so I want 3 pound drop my hook. I don't know, I must eat this one and oh, where you at? The one jack I seen up there a while ago, I know they're there. They're here this morning, Brian. I know it. I feel it. I feel them this morning. Hmm?
Oh, fish on.
Fish on? Fish on? Oh shit. Brian got good fish, guys.
Like a long jaw.
Long jaw? Oh shit. Brian got fish on. Oh shit. Brian got fish on, guys. Long jaw. Bring him in, bring him in, bring him in, Brian. And that's a top water you just got him on?
Yes, man.
Oh shit. Top water lure.
Boy. I feel like.
That's it, guys.
I feel like.
Jamaican shore fishing Clark Legacy 876, guys. Top water spook. Brian hit it.
Yo.
He got it just now.
Top water.
That's what's up.
You swim by it and they hook him up.
Yeah. No, he grabbed it and missed.
He missed.
That's what reaches, dumbass.
Nice size on this.
Yeah, man. Good one, Brian. Oh, you see? Bro, what I tell you about them hooks, man? Come on, Brian. You know better, Brian.
Not the fish and stuff.
Brian, after he's pissing on you.
Him good, man. Fish can wash off him.
He just pissed on you, Brian.
Him good, man. Fish. First fish for you.
That's it.
Long jaw.
Striker.
No long jaw, but it's about throwing back.
No, sir. He's gonna die. He ain't gonna live past that one. Brian just hooked up on the long jaw, guys.
Alright. First one.
Alright, Brian, I'm gonna switch this lure off.
First one. Top one. You may not say he read on white when you out there, wait for him.
On the top water lure. And check out Jamaican shore fishing too, yeah? Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah.
You say anytime they search for mine, anytime they pull up mine,
Yeah.
yours either under it or beside.
Yeah. Alright, got the Yazuri crystal minnow in. You know that's my champ. My killer right there. No, I change off. I put on my crystal minnow. This is the killer. This chartreuse with this color water today should be good.
S-U-R-E, right?
Yeah, S-U-R-E. Oh shoot, long jaw chasing. Ah, long jaw hit. Missed. Oh man, thank you. I actually have a video playing right in the next 8 minutes from last night. Yeah. Brian, you moving? Alright, stick and move. Alright guys. So if you're gonna do lure fishing, get a light setup. Don't nothing heavy. Feel this. This is the weight you're working with lure fishing. Alright? Nothing heavy, brother. You can cast 1,000 times and you don't get tired. That's the secret to lure fishing. Alright, bless up. Brian hit already, guys. And
Yeah, your chartreuse.
this is my go-to killer. He gonna die today, boy. They're gonna get hit. Somebody getting hit. So yeah, red and white will definitely work.
Eh? Alright, come on, let's go. Yeah, we ain't catching nothing here, guys. We're gonna move. The sun's just barely coming up. I'm gonna drop my spoon lure on in a second and work my way back. Go with my chartreuse down here real quick. Not getting the attention that I want, Brian. Brian said he ain't wetting up today. I'll switch off. Switch just to my spoon lure. Yep. Right over there to it, guys. Spoon lure. The killer. This is a killer lure, guys. This is what's up. First cast I ever cast this lure out, killed something on the first day. That's crazy. So let's get it out one. Ooh, look at that cast, guys. Fish on, guys. Woo! Haha. Long jaw. Got you. Spoon lure, buddy. Spoon lure, dogs. Where all lures fail. Oh man. Where all lures fail. Let's get him up. Long jaw on it, guys. These guys are feisty. Get these. Long jaw. He ain't gonna live if I throw him back. He got battered up already. These guys are very fragile, so you can't beat them up. Yeah, sure fishing on the spoon lure. So that's what's up, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna give this gentleman up there. We don't want this. I'm gonna give one of the guys up there that's fishing. At least he'll have a fish. Well, you got a spoon lure on it, or just now? Yeah, he hit this one. Huh? The other lures are. Huh? Oh shit. You got it loose? Put on something heavy and slide it on the line and let it drop to the water. Like a rock or something, and tie it. And then it'll knock it off. Don't leave it like that. Bring your rod back a little bit further. Alright, sure fishing. We're doing some crazy shit again. Brian said he ain't coming. He'll watch. What? Damn, I almost broke my rod tip. Trying to get around to this other side of the fort where the sun's up a bit better. Trying to get to that point and cast and see what I can pick up. I'm gonna go around the other side too, but for now, fish on, guys. Woo! Fish on. Brian, fish on! Brian! Big ass jack, Brian! Two of them, two big ones. Come over here quick, Brian! Brian, the other one's following him. Spoon! Hurry up, the other one, big one is here with him. Oh fuck. Holy shit! Jamaican shore fishing. He was hitting after it for a while, guys. Holy smokes. Big jack. Whoo-hoo. Big jack, guys, big jack. Fish on, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Spoon lure. Tequila. Yeah. My line's hitched up around my rod tip, guys. I'm all excited. I'm trying to get out there back again. I gotta get this fish off this line though, so I can get active again. So let me see if I can grab him without hooking my goddamn self again. Yeah, these jackfish be active. You gotta be extremely careful when dealing with them, guys, because see, they'll flash that hook in your hand. See? Got him. Woo-hoo. I'll get the pliers out. One big one down there, Brian.
Left him in the water till me reach.
Brian, he was getting hitched up. He was chafing my line on the rocks. I had to just work him. Big boy Jamaican shore fishing. Woo-hoo. Stay right there, buddy. Two big ones, Brian. He big. Go so straight out. That's where I come from. Straight out. That's where I go with him, Brian. And I came out with it. All the time come in, them a pop, 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 pop. Until the frigate, me just slow it down and the frigate just grab you when I go so. Brian, he bigger than this one, you know? Way bigger than this boy, you know? That boy was big, Brian. I was coming from out there, bro. Just run it in, and all me I run it in, pop, pop, pop. Bro, you shouldn't come around here with me, fan. Beginning in the dogs. Now look for the barra, I want barra around your side. Now look for him. Come in, Brian. Come go look for your barra. I'll get better cast around, so. I'll go through here, so. We have to go through here, so. Alright, come in. Yeah! Jackfish, guys. Whoop whoop! Shore fishing. Nice catch this morning. Yeah, guys. Look at this, guys.
Nice one.
That's what's up.
Good size jack that too.
Yeah, bro. That's dinner. Bushes, guys, are overgrown in here. You gotta also be careful. I got a lure hanging in the tree down here. No, Hartman does. Yeah, there's a section around here that we can cast. It has a double layer up and down that you can actually get a good casting over here, guys. Oh, shit, that we do for fishing. Brian made me do all of this shit. It's Brian's fault, guys. I'm gonna go up this stuff. Huh? No, I guess I borrowed them, hung out in that little shallow.
Watch them on there over there.
Oh, on their boat?
The net. Somebody has to do it, you know, but man, I hate net.
Clear you? You're good? You in? Make sure Brian's. Is everything them open? Eh? How you gonna do that, bro? Oh. Watch the fish. Fish on, guys. Woo-hoo. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Woo-hoo. Barra. Got him, guys. Woo-hoo. Gotcha. Fish on, guys. Barracuda. The killer. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. That's what's up. Killer. 2 species, 3 species in one day. How many species has Jamaican shore fishing hit today, guys? 3 species. Hey guys, let me get these guys strung up. Get them on the string before they start giving me trouble, especially this barra. Yeah, guys. Hey buddy, stay steady. Alright, don't give me no trouble. Oh, I'm gonna get you on the string real quick. Hey guys, sorry about that. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing. Stay tuned for more epic, exciting catches. Guys, let's get out there again, see what we can pick up. See if we can get another one. Woo-hoo. Hey guys, I'm gonna switch up, hit up a different spot now. I guess Ryan's not coming back. I don't know. Hey guys, alright, I'm gonna take it out of here. I think I got enough cast here already. And I think I've put it in over on this side enough. Ryan went around and went back through there. I'm gonna catch up with him real quick after I get one more cast. Yeah guys, so this is what it is. Oh yeah, I fished down there already. I fished that beach already to them rocks. I've caught a couple of jacks and barras in this spot already, but I've never fished behind this building itself. Let's see what's going on up here. I like to get a bird's eye view, Brian. Yeah, guys. So, this little spot that Brian took me to. Nice little spot right here. But I'm seeing more potential over this side where this tree limb is. We'll get the spoon lure out and see what we can get. Yeah, I have one miss mines too. What's that, Barra? Ratted Barra jump off tight and miss the ratted. That spoon lure been hitting today, guys. See that? Trying to get across some shallows. Fish on? Long jaw? Yeah. Brian got fish on, guys. Brian just got fish on. Hitting it. We hitting it, guys. What you got, a Barra? Barra? Haha. That's what's up, guys. Oh shit. Yo, bro. I swear I seen somebody just walk behind this tree a while ago. You hear me, dogs? I swear I seen somebody in a red shorts walk behind this. I'm sitting here like, what the f was that? Ringo is like, you went without me? You left me? Yo, you gonna have Ringo feeling away now.
Jump up this morning, set and feel some more carrying, but you want days, man.
Jaja God. Can't believe so you do my dog, so. Alright guys, trying to conserve some battery. I eliminated the walk coming over here because it was coming from the other side. But Brian decided he wants to come on this side before we leave. I said, alright, let's walk it out, see what else we can pick up because our aim is down the line a little bit further. Not even a chase, bro. No, sir. Nothing. Where you going around there? Huh? I gotta walk back far to the goddamn car, Brian. That's my problem. Yeah, the insoles of my feet like swollen from the last couple of weeks of walking. Not good. Trying to avoid this reef structure right here because you'll get hitched up for sure, and I definitely don't want to lose my new spoon lure. Trying to get around to that rock point. truck that you gotta do for fishing sometimes, guys. Yeah, this shit is crazy sometimes. Don't want to cast in here, and I don't want to get hitched up. It's low tide. Go to the tip of that reef and cast that way. Be careful. Whoop, whoop. Shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Stay tuned for more epic, exciting adventures. Me and Brian put that work in, guys. Whoop, whoop. A lot of real estate around this side. Hopefully we can hook onto something big here. Get out to this reef. Get good casting. Perfect. Ooh. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Ooh. Fish on. Brian! Brian! Got hit by one, he got away. Then, how much species is that today, Jamaican shore fishing? Talk to me, guys. Long jaw, jack, barra, and lizard fish on one lure, spoon lure today, guys. This guy's kind of a little bit, but try not to get this hook in my hand, guys. There you go. Yeah, going to hang out there for a bit. Get back your wits, and then I'll get you back in the water. Next theme, I gotta clean these fish up before I go home, because I am not trying to go home today with fish that I gotta scale. So what I'm gonna do before I go home, scale these fish up, guys, before I go home. Hey guys, so we're cleaning up my fish before I go home. But I really don't want to roll myself up once I go home again. Alright guys, both fish are clean. Got them both clean. And then the cooler. I'm going to rinse this cooler out real quick. Rust in there. Look at it. Larry left the tools in here rust up, you know. And they rust up because they're sitting in water. Don't dry the cooler out, so this is what happens. Came around to this hole, me and Brian.
And didn't want to do all the walking over here, so didn't want to do all that walking. So we just parked here close by that we could just come to the cove and cast out. Get a few good casts in there and see what we can pick up. The rocks are treacherous on the feet. I don't have proper shoes on for this. Brian, sea church and what rock? Brian, if I see a spoon low and I get no attention, you must know something wrong. Sun up too high. The sun up high. What is it, ready? Huh? Fish on, Brian, fish on. Fish on, Brian. Brian, fish on. Jack. Woohoo! Yeah! Come on. What up, boy? You good?
Yeah. I have no extra hook that you on our like
Hook. You want a hook?
yeah. Or something like that. What kind of fish?
Jackfish. Hold it. Look at the hook. Is that good? One is good? Only one?
Probably gone. Yeah. Yeah, so my little one them.
You don't use smaller hooks on that, son.
No, I saw we did want to catch some bait hook, that's why so small.
Yeah, I don't use smaller hooks on that.
You don't use small ones?
You know. I catch big fish.
Thanks. You have any line? Extra line? Can't give me please. Get one hit my head.
Let's walk out over there.
Thank you.
Go on, man. Go on, man. You don't want something for your boy, too? Go on the road. Let's find one buckle and wrap you up on. First motor good, right? Let's find one plastic buckle, man. Alright, wrap him up then now. Here guys, one more jackfish down. Helping these kids out real quick. Let's get him up. You logged off a while ago, buddy. Here, Jamaican shore fishing. Another one, guys. Oh my God. Go for Brian.
Rocks are unforgiving, guys. Whoop whoop. Holy shit. I'll be watching my step. Whew. Damn, this feels good to be on some solid ground. Are we allowed to even be back here? Big ass dogs run out on your bitch ass, don't say nothing. Some big ass dogs run out this bitch, you don't say nothing. This feels good to be on flat level ground.
That's even long job, man.
That jack hit me at a surprise. I don't know where he came from. I didn't even see him. Want me to slow down the lure to slow? Like take my time with it coming in. Also. No, bro. Go left. Push on. Oh, it came off. Yeah, Brian's checking that cove. I'm wondering if I should go around there with him. Alright, I left my fish back here, but I'm gonna have to come back this way anyway. We'll follow Brian around the edge here and see if we can get into this cove. Normally there's a barrier in these coves. Huh? Where? Eh? Yeah. You caught one? Go left. Cast left, Brian. Cast left. Straight left. No, man. Be long jaw. Fish on? One more lizard fish, Brian? You got another lizard fish? Oh shit, Brian got another lizard fish, guys. I got one of them today too. Oh shit, you got two of them. Oh shit, well you're catching fish, bro. They eat good. They eat good. That's one fish I know that eat good for sure. And a jack there for me, huh? What that?
Him. I don't fry him to the sitting wrong.
Okay, look what his foot's here. Oh shit. Awesome. No sense. A visual I do it today. No noise. Eh? Oh. We have grown.
One road ground there so. We can park up our church and walk on the cliff. Ross, Jack, two big jack, chasing. Two big jack. Come in, Brian. Sit him also. Brian, show yaso. Right yaso, Brian. Right off yaso, yes, me show. Then they're right in our vicinity. Then they're right, two big jack there, Brian. About £1.5.
The one left. Oh, lizard that. Shika, what that?
I tell you someone big jack there.
That one lizard fish that's becoming big. You see him?
No?
In the right where it just passed, Right where it just passed. Like he come up off my bottom and look to see me. And the long jaw chasing me. Long jaw fly. Oh, look the long jaw, yeah. One the big man, if I catch him, I go. I'll do.
You not take up your other two lizard fish?
Eh?
You left your lizard fish more?
No, man. I think I'm not take them out of the water for that. I'm chewing back right now.
Big jackfish, you know, dog.
You come up a while ago, that's snake going long, you know, man. Go stand up inside. Again, you know.
Alive, I've got to charge up again, I will go home. I'll find one gas station, I want something to drink, man. The jack them? The jack?
Yeah, right.
I chase the line, not you? Eh? Hold on, I'm going to go sideways. That water lower, I'll get them out. Come here, man.
time to go home, Brian. It's time to go home, guys. My battery's about to die on this camera.